oh, there's already a great actor, I don't need to be an actor, I don't need to be an actor.
Ma'am, if you had a chance to change one stereotype about women in cinema, what would you change?
Oh yeah. The stereotype about the woman looking for somebody else to come and save them, that's a stereotype. I think women do not need that kind of thing. They can save themselves and they can save others also.
One advice you would give to young women who are interested to step into cinema but actually are afraid about it?
See, cinema is a great place to be, and it is a very lucrative business, and it's a very creative place where you don't get same kind of thing every day. Like, you know, you get to do something very, very interesting, variety of work every day. Like any other profession, you should equip yourself first before coming into the cinema. Let it be you or... See, of course, technically everybody knows that, you know, they have to learn cinematography, they have to learn audiography and editing and all if they have to enter into that area. But as an actor, they feel that, you know, they can just act. It's not like that. You have to train yourself as an actor, either join a theater group and learn the nuances of acting and behavioral acting, and you know, how an actor prepares and all that stuff. Only then you will be able to be successful. You can come and do 1 or 2 movies, but to be successful, you have to have an independent individuality as an actor. If you see, like we've had great actors like Shivaji sir, but we still got Kamal sir.
Yeah.
So he equipped himself with some great talent. When Kamal sir was there, Vikram kind of actors came, and then Dhanush came, and then Vijay Sethupathi came. When, you know, like that. So it's not as if like, oh, there's already a great actor, I don't need to be an actor with substance appadinu kediyadhu. You have to equip yourself. You have to identify your strength and weakness
Yeah.
and work on the weaknesses.
So as an interviewer, my questions are over, ma'am.
Ah.
But as a movie lover, we would love to see you on screen more often.
Oh, that is lovely. You please tell my directors.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.